In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new position on eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're entering the correct platform and that your account is fully accessible before you begin. Once you're inside, you'll be ready to look for the asset you want to trade. Next, use the search bar to find the stock, ETF, cryptocurrency, or any other asset you'd like to open a position on. The search tool is the fastest way to get directly to the market you want, especially if you already know the asset's name or ticker. When you find the asset, open its page. This is where you can view key information before placing your trade. Depending on the asset, you may see price movement, charts, market stats, and other details that can help you confirm you've selected the right one. From the asset page, click Trade. This will open the trade ticket, which is where you'll configure your new position. Take a moment here to go through each field carefully so you understand exactly what you're about to submit. Now enter the amount you want to invest, or if the platform allows it for that asset, enter the number of units you want to buy. This is an important part of the process because it determines the size of your position. After that, choose your order type, such as a market order or a limit order, if that option is available. A market order is generally used when you want to enter at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want the order to be executed. If the asset and your account settings are eligible, you can then select your preferred leverage option. Be careful with leverage, because while it can increase exposure, it also increases risk. You also have the option to set a stop loss and a take profit level. These tools can help you manage risk and define your exit targets in advance, which is useful for staying disciplined. Before placing the trade, review all the order details carefully, including the estimated opening costs. This final check helps you confirm the amount, order type, leverage selection, and any risk management settings you've chosen. Once everything looks correct, click Open Trade or Buy to open your new position. After the order is placed, head over to the portfolio page, where you can view and monitor your new position. This is where you'll keep track of performance and manage the trade going forward. Thanks for watching.